In this video, I will show with you how to edit your PDF in Exchange PDF. So friends, all you have to do, launch this app on PDF Exchange, and then you will see this page, upload your PDF from this section. I want to upload this PDF from here. After that, you will see this home page. I want to upload this PDF, for example. So friends, when you upload your PDF documents, you will see this page. From this page, you can edit your PDF. You have different section here. Click this icon. From here, you can select the text. This is the selected text option. And then you can select the comments. This one, for example, you can select and cycle here. And then you have this edit text. Just click this icon. From here, you can start editing your PDF. You can drag this PDF. You can delete this keyword, for example. You can add this keyword here. And then this is about edit text. You can edit object. You can select any object if you have any object in your PDF. You can select an area and you can add a text. Just click add a text from here and choose the area or space you want to add the text. For example, this one. And you can start add your text. You can also add your QR codes. Just drag your QR codes and you can highlight your text by this option. Click highlight text and then select the highlight text. And then this is for the yellow color. This is, you can just click yellow this one and you can start highlighting the text. This option, you have a row, you can add a rectangle. This option, from if I scroll down, you can add a rectangle. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share. You can add edit link from here. Just select this one and you can add edit link by click set link. Thanks for watching this.